Now let me run this Docker Compose again. Oh, I see. It has failed again. Now it is failing because it is trying to create two containers for the web part. As we have mentioned, the replica is two, and both of them are using 9000 port. So that is an issue. So it's not an issue from the Docker Compose part. It's because of the replica we have mentioned, and because of the replica, it's trying to run both of it on the same machine. And it's because once one of the web container is assigned the 8000 port, the other one is not able to find the same port as it is already utilized by one of the web port. So what I will be doing is, for now, let me keep the replica as one.